Ever feel like everyone's talking about AI, but you're not quite sure where to start? It's like a huge, exciting party, but you don't know the password to get in. Well, today, I'm giving you the secret handshake. This is your ultimate 2025 beginner's guide to AI tools. By the end of this video, you won't just understand what they are. You'll know exactly how to use them to make your life easier, more creative, and way more productive. No jargon, no complicated tech talk, just simple, practical steps. So, are you ready to unlock your new superpower? Let's dive in. First things first, what even are AI tools? Forget about robots taking over the world. Think of them as super smart assistants that live in your computer or phone. They're designed to understand your requests and help you with specific tasks. You've probably already used AI without even realizing it, like when Netflix suggests a new show, or your phone's camera automatically makes your photos look better. The new wave of AI tools, called generative AI, can create brand new things: text, images, music, even code, just from your instructions. It's like having a team of experts on call 24/7. The key is knowing how to talk to them, and that's what we're going to master today. Let's start with the most popular category, AI text generators. You've probably heard of names like ChatGPT, Google's Gemini, or Claude. These are called large language models, or LLMs. Think of them as your personal writing partner. So, how do you use them? It all starts with a prompt. A prompt is simply the instruction you give the AI. A bad prompt is like mumbling a question. You'll get a confusing answer. A good prompt is clear, specific, and provides context. For example, don't just say, "Write about dogs." Instead, try this. Write a 200-word blog post introduction for an audience of new dog owners. The tone should be friendly and reassuring. Cover the initial joys and challenges of bringing a puppy home and end with a question asking them about their own experiences. See the difference? You gave it a role, a task, a target audience, a specific length, a tone, and a structure. The more details you give, the better the result. You can use these tools to draft emails, brainstorm ideas for a project, summarize long articles, translate languages, or even help you write a resume. It's an incredible time saver. Now, let's get visual with AI image generators. Tools like Midjourney, DALL-E 3, and Stable Diffusion can turn your wildest ideas into stunning pictures. This is where your imagination can truly run wild. Just like with text, it's all about the prompt. But here, you need to think like an artist. Describe the subject, the style, the lighting, and even the camera angle. For instance, instead of "a cat in a library," you could prompt, "a photorealistic image of a fluffy ginger cat sleeping on a pile of antique books in a sunlit, dusty library." The style should be warm and cozy, with soft lighting coming through a large window. Use a shallow depth of field. You can ask for different art styles, like in the style of Van Gogh, as a Pixar animation character, or as a vintage black and white photograph. It's an incredible tool for creating custom graphics for presentations, social media posts, or just for fun. You can literally create art without ever picking up a paintbrush. Spend some time experimenting with different keywords. Words like cinematic lighting, hyper-detailed, 4K, or epic can dramatically change the outcome. What if you're not a writer or an artist? Don't worry. AI has you covered. Let's talk about AI for everyday productivity. There are AI-powered tools that can completely change how you work. For example, tools like Notion AI or Microsoft Copilot can be integrated directly into your workflow. Imagine you have a long meeting. An AI meeting assistant can join the call, transcribe the entire conversation, and then provide you with a neat summary, a list of action items, and key decisions. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now. There are also AI presentation makers. You just give it a topic, and it will generate an entire slideshow with text, images, and a professional layout. It's perfect for students or professionals who need to create presentations quickly. Even simple things like scheduling can be handed off to an AI assistant that will find a time that works for everyone by emailing them back and forth. The goal here is to automate the boring, repetitive tasks so you can focus on what's important, your creative and strategic work. Okay, let's move on to another amazing area. AI for audio and video. Have a podcast idea but hate the sound of your own voice? There are AI tools that can clone your voice from just a few minutes of audio. You can then type out a script, and the AI will read it in a perfect replica of your voice. This is also great for correcting mistakes in a recording without having to re-record the whole thing. There are also AI-powered video editors. You can upload your raw footage, and the AI can automatically identify the best takes, cut out awkward pauses and filler words like and ah, and even add background music that fits the mood. Some tools can generate subtitles and captions instantly. And for content creators, there are tools that can take one long video and automatically repurpose it into several short clips perfectly formatted for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. It's like having an entire production team at your fingertips. Now, a very important topic, the ethics and limitations of AI. While these tools are powerful, they're not perfect. AI models are trained on vast amounts of data from the internet, so they can sometimes inherit biases or generate information that is incorrect. We call these hallucinations. So, always, and I mean always, fact-check any important information the AI gives you. Don't trust it blindly, especially for academic, medical, or legal advice. Think of it as a very smart, but sometimes forgetful intern. You still need to be the boss and double-check its work. Also, be mindful of copyright, especially with AI-generated images. The laws around this are still evolving, so be careful about using AI-generated content for commercial purposes without understanding the terms of service of the tool you're using. So, how can you get started today? The best way is to just jump in and play. Most of the tools I've mentioned have free versions or free trials. Go to ChatGPT or Google Gemini and ask it a fun question. Try to write a poem or a short story. Go to an AI image generator and try to create a picture of a cyberpunk sloth riding a unicycle on Mars. The key is experimentation. See what works and what doesn't. Your first few prompts might not give you what you want, and that's okay. Learning to prompt is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. Start by identifying a small, annoying task in your daily life. Do you spend too much time answering similar emails? Ask an AI to help you create a few templates. Do you need ideas for your next family dinner? Ask it for 5 quick and healthy recipes using ingredients you already have. By integrating AI into these small tasks, you'll start to see its potential and become more comfortable using it for bigger, more complex projects. We've covered a lot today, from AI text and image generators to productivity and video tools. The world of AI is moving incredibly fast, and what seems cutting-edge today will be standard tomorrow. This isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about augmenting it. These tools are here to help you brainstorm faster, create more freely, and get rid of the tedious work that slows you down. The future belongs to those who learn to work alongside AI. You've taken the first step by watching this video. Now it's your turn to explore. I hope this guide has demystified AI for you and made you feel excited to give these tools a try. Don't be intimidated. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single prompt. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll be making more videos that dive deeper into specific AI tools and advanced prompting techniques. Let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.